What's up, guys? It is Bixels back with another video. You know me as CEO. My Roblox user is Bixels. Follow me, friend me, do whatever. I don't accept friend requests. Don't be a meanie. Today we're loading into Bakiez Bakery, and we are accompanied today by the most famous YouTuber on the planet. It's the bee emoji. Oh, and my cousin's here. Yeah. Be sure to go and friend him, Meogre. Yeah, it's pretty great. I'm a professional here. I can't really freaking ban you, but I'll warn you and say, hey, I'll ban you if you do bad, because, like, you're bad. Ah! Okay. Because if you're bad, you're bad. And, yeah. So we're gonna play. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Iced Caramel Latte at Bakiez Bakery. Bakiez Bakery! Okay, guys, you gotta come over here. You gotta walk through these doors right here.
Do not mess up this step. You have to walk through these doors or...
You wanna come over to Iraq, right over here. Not Iraq, Iraq. And after you do this, you wanna get the iced cup. Come over here. You wanna get some ice in here. Then you gotta get the regular, right there. After you get the regular, you want to get this little cardinal thing right here. Boom. Then you got to get your milk. Boom! Milk! Then you got to cream it up. And boom, iced caramel latte. I'm going to go and ask someone if they want it. Okay? Yo. Want a latte? Want a latte? Him, because you're ugly. Little. Have a great day. Have a great day. Okay, guys, that's how it's done. I'm gonna be posting this video to the Bakiez Discord, and they gotta watch it or I'm gonna, like, murder you. I mean, what? I didn't say anything of this. There's no evidence, bye.